What are you gonna do today, bud?
We're gonna make a cool volcano that erupts like and
So right now, Mommy is dumping in
the flour.
4 medium scoops of flour.
Yeah, four medium?
Yeah, because we're gonna build our own volcano.
Oh.
Alright, so there we go. 4 medium scoops of flour. Hold on.
No. Can I mix it?
Hold on.
Or
So then from there, wait, that's supposed to be baking soda. Alright, start over. 4 medium scoops of baking soda.
And this for us, and these out.
Krisha, can you get Mommy a knife, please?
Knife? Okay.
Try getting Daddy's work knife. It should be up there. It's a yellow knife.
Give that to Mama.
Phew.
Alright, so let's move this over to the side.
Ow!
Let me see.
Oh, yeah. I don't know.
Right now I'm adding 4 medium scoops of baking soda to a cup.
Yes. And we're gonna make a water stuff. This is all the stuff you have, and you gotta follow these 3 directions for 5.
It's a little harder than it looks.
But we gotta make 100 words. And this might be what the volcano we're making, the green bottom. So I want this kind of like rainbow thing, like
Alright, so here's your baking soda.
my baking soda, guys. And here's
And then we need to do 1 medium scoop of flour.
here's my back baking soda. I'm gonna move my baking soda right with the other baking soda. Hey, where you go?
And then we're going to need to get the red cabbage juice powder, which comes with the package.
What is that?
The package we are using today.
You know.
Okay, so round 2.
Round 2 what?
Making the volcano.
Oh,
So you can see how it really erupts.
See how it really erupts if you put the whole thing in. Like dump the whole thing of flour in. And then it will be a real volcano. Mama,
Yes.
if you put all the flour in, it will be a real volcano. Oh, dear. Bumpy.
You want to try the red cabbage powder?
No.
You sure you want to try it?
No. Stop it, you, mama. Mama.
Hold on. Don't do anything yet.
I'm gonna slam that thing in half.
No, you're going to need to really listen to do this right. Now go ahead and stir them.
Okay. I don't want to. It stinks.
While you're doing that, I'm going to
I'm
begin.
just gonna
Medium scoop of water. Make sure you get to where it was before.
Where? I forget where it was before.
So you're going to want to guess there's no bumpies.
No bumpy?
Yep, no bumpies. Yeah. Almost, because it's a little wet. All right. No big deal.
So,
Mommy's gotta mix up a little bit.
guys, when Mama's mixing that up, I'm gonna get a red Powerade. If I can open this thing up. I can't. Oh!
Alright, let's get that water in there.
Hey! 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 Look at me, strong!
Look how strong you are.
Whoa! No! I'm losing muscles! I'm actually not losing muscles. I can carry 2 bottles of red Powerade. Look at me, guys. I got strong muscles. 'Cause I'm the strongest man. And I'm the fastest. Faster than anyone. Faster than anything or anyone. Hi, Low Rider. Bye-bye, Rider.
Christian, can you get Mommy a paper towel, please?
Okay, come in, getting right up. Wee, wee, wee. Wee, 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 wee. Here you go.
Thank you.
Wee, 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 wee. 900 feet. Oh, shit that money. Oh, shit that. Oh.
The people that doesn't pay tax didn't get the stimulus check?
Nope.
Huh?
Nope, unless they get Social Security. That's the only way they got it.
Oh, 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 oh.
Which I don't even think that was fair. Because if you get Social Security, thing. Put that down, please.
Huh. Christine, your sister should jump right on this. Company looking to pay 5 people $1,000 to binge. Watch every Harry Potter movie. That shouldn't be a problem.
I'm good.
For $1,000, I'd do it.
No, I want to do it.
I can't get to the first 2 movies. Never mind the whole, what is it, 7, 8 movies of Harry Potter? The whole series or whatever. Alright. Christian, can you go put some water in here, please?
Mm-hmm.
Just a tiny bit. Not much. Put that bottle of Sprite down, please. Thank you. Alright.
Cold water,
Warm.
the warmest.
Oh, actually, never mind. It can be cold because I already got the citric acid out here. So go ahead.
A lot.
Okay. Oh, we didn't need that much, but that's okay. Thank you. Get our red water bath. Alright, you ready, bud?
Yes.
Come here. You ready to see a volcano explode?
Yes.
Okay, so put that down like I said. Thank you.
How is the volcano?
So what we gotta do is go put some water on the outside.
Yeah. I can't wait to see how it explodes like crazy. It looks like a drink that babies eat.
Alright, now come here. It's gonna explode. Come here.
Okay. No, I want
Now
to
see how I picked it up and I didn't squeeze it, isn't picking up so it's not gonna leak?
Yeah.
So we can put it right in the middle.
Oh my gosh!
See? There's our volcano exploding.
That's so. It looks like a gummy.
Now I wanna try something because I have a feeling this will work. What we're gonna do is we're gonna just mix up the regular flour. Let's see if it erupts the same way.
I think I'll rough a lot. And I mean a lot, but it's a lot.
Let's clean up this plate first. Now, if my theory is correct, you don't need all that good stuff to get it to erupt. But let's see. Let's just test it out here. Make a really big volcano. Christian, I'm sorry outside. You don't pick it up.
And you need a huge, gigantic one?
We're gonna see. So all I have in this cup here is flour and water. Just gonna mold it so get it nice and damp so you can mold it into a good sized volcano. Now let's see. So I do believe all you need for the volcano is just a base to make it explode out of. So we'll see what happens here.
Whoa, what are you making?
Because as long as we have that citric acid there with the baking powder, this should explode either way.
If the theory's not right, then what will happen?
Then that means that there's some type of chemical in the other volcano that we made that made it explode. And it wasn't the citric acid in the baking soda. But we'll see.
Why do you always gotta talk so much?
Alright, let's see. So all I have here is a citric acid.
Oh, I know what I need, a red Powerade.
Where's that?
Can somebody please get me a red Powerade?
Well, I thought you had it. Let me see it.
I don't have one.
Where are they? We'll go get one. I'll open it for you.
I got like Gatorade all around this kitchen. I would take this Gatorade. Okay, I'm not taking
So all this is citric acid.
Take this Gatorade.
Let's see how it works. No, it didn't explode the way it was supposed to, so maybe it was something in that solution. Just give it one more try. Now let's see if we add a little bit of baking soda to the citric acid cup
Oh, baking soda.
to really get that bounce. See how it's...
Now I know it's gonna rust. This time it's definitely gonna rust. Not too much though.
No. So it was definitely something in that volcano that made it erupt. Alright.
Just so you know, guys, that I know 100% that
Let's try and see. Let's see if we add all the ingredients into the cup, if that will make it explode.
I don't think that will show. If that won't,
I
then
think this carriage pouch is for color, but we'll see. Powder. We already got citric acid in there. What's that one, bud? Oh, that was the carriage powder. Oh, right. Let's see.
so guys, 100% sure that
Nope.
it will never explode.
So it's got to be made out one way or it's not going to explode. So there's your science project for the day, bud.